Hello, good afternoon, good evening na pala. Happy finish putor na kami. Finish na kami ng putor. And I finished already to help them in the kitchen. So everybody take go out. So now we have only simply, simply putor to celebrate the dinner, the breakfast, and not dinner, but lunch, breakfast. And lunch because later pa yung dinner. So we are here. This one is telephone of Madam, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. So now we have her in the house of the sister of Madam May, the aunt of Madam Nor and Madam Sams. And in the another house also is the grandmother of Madam Nur. So they go out, and now we are here to already finish. Maybe later they make shy, or I don't know, or to celebrate pala the birthday of Gino. Okay, Gino is the younger son of Madam Dina and Sir Jojo, the aunt of Madam Nur, the sister of Madam May. Just make because I relax already, and I'm very sorry that I didn't make new videos in my channel because of some reasons that I'm little bit busy, and my time is I cannot I can manage, but we are stay always kasi inside in the house, in the unit of in the compound, so I have not too much to make a video. Now yeah, I can make video because we go out, and now is Thursday night and weekends already tomorrow, so maybe later if I can make some videos about my late videos. That's what I have. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I wish everything will be okay. This is already my face now. No need na to, no arte because just inside in the house, and even I have in there. We go out just simply like this one only, not like talaga if you are working outside, like in the salon or in the hotel or in the restaurant. You're working as a cleaner or janitress or whatever, what kind of work, so you can mix super arty talaga. But somehow on someday when I can spend vacation now, or I go home na in the Philippines, so it's the right time for myself. At least that is already of my age. It's belong already of my age. Okay, the important that is still healthy and good health and more blessings. That what I have. Thank you so much. Thank you to all subscribers and to all viewers of mine. Thank you so much that you are still you are still supported, and you are still watching in my live or in my short videos or late videos or regular videos that I have. Thank you so much talaga. You didn't watch that to me. You didn't forget my channel, even I have late videos and some of them is new or old. Okay, so thank you again, thank you, and God bless us all. Thank you nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different cities in this world. Sorry, thank you very much to all that you are still watching in the social media, and bye. Happy weekends to all of us. Tumataba. That is original, ha? Original yan. Original bilbil yan. Ano, you need to exercise only at home. Yeah lang, bye-bye. Ayan o, I make videos this one before. Okay? Ayan na, bye-bye.